Welcome back to the Nightcap, everyone. We're gonna make another better than average drink in less than average time. Today we're gonna have a tequila sunrise. We're gonna start up the morning. So that's gonna be 4 ounces of orange juice, 2 ounces of tequila, and just a little grenadine on there. So we'll get started. We're gonna build this in a shaker today. So let's go the 4 ounces of the orange juice straight in there. We already have ice inside, so we can get this nice and cold. We're gonna do 2 ounces of tequila. Today we'll be using the Don Julio Blanco. Great for all your mixed drinks, your margaritas, in this case your tequila sunrise. So that's all you gotta do there. You're gonna get to shaking. So pop the cap on there. Okay. Get that off, strain it into this glass. You can use whatever glass you want. Figured we'll just do this one because we're gonna have merch come out soon, and this is honestly the first glass we had with the Nightcap logo on there, so check that out here soon. Strain that in the glass, looking good, and then finally we're gonna go ahead and top that off with just a little grenadine. Pour it over a little spoon. There you have it. Cheers to you, Clark. Cheers.